dito. Ang galing ng set niya. Thank you so much. I am Morissette, and it is my greatest honor and just my pleasure to be a part of Sigla this year. Thank you so much po for having us. I'd also just like to, of course, introduce the band that we have here. Actually, yung kinanta natin kanina, yung Akin Ka Na Lang, itong guy na to, siya yung nagsulat ng kantang yun, si Kiko Salazar. And he's here with us today. I'm so happy to be sharing the Sigla stage with him. And of course, we also have Day One here. Introduce ko na yung band because we have an amazing set. Our musical director, Mr. Adonis Tabanda, right here on bass. On drums, we got Ray Perez over there. And on guitar, we have Gino Madrid. Thank you so much for having us. Kumusta po kayo? Kumusta? I know you guys were here also yesterday, and I'm sure you guys had a blast. Kaya really appreciate that you guys came out to see us here tonight as well. Thank you so much. All right, for this at this point, I'd like to share some originals that I was also able to put out. Actually, during the pandemic, I also got into songwriting, and so okay lang po ba mag-share ako ng mga songs para sa inyo na mga sulat naman namin. So this first song that I'd like to share with everyone is a song na I actually wrote for myself. Kasi especially during the pandemic, and I'm sure hindi lang ako, yung marami tayong pinagdaanan na inner battles, yung sobrang litong-lito tayo sa sarili natin, hindi natin alam ang gagawin natin, kaaway natin yung sarili natin. And so here's a song that I'd like to share with everyone, and maybe this is something that might speak to you as well. This is a song called Mirror. Sana po ay magustuhan niyo po ito.